Introducing the Nitro Glide by Drag de Vilbis Healthcare. This knee walker offers users recovering from a below-the-knee injury the ability to remain mobile and glide through their daily activities in a newly patented design. Featuring width expandable front axles to improve turning radius and stability while in use and provide optimum maneuverability and navigation in diverse terrain. Take your glide from 16 inches to 18 or 20 inches using the easy and tool-free knob adjustment feature and enjoy the ability of customizing your navigational experience wherever you go. The Nitro Glide frame is glossy with a bright red or blue finish, lightweight and foldable at only 23 pounds. It has an integrated brake cable to help mitigate the cable from being caught on objects while navigating and provides extended brake cable durability. The Glide is durable and capable of supporting users up to 350 pounds, and finally has an ergonomic design for enhanced comfort and efficiency. Additional features include larger front wheels to aid in navigating diverse terrain and enhance rolling comfort while indoors or outdoors. Integrated disc brake technology and redesigned tire tread have been added to increase stopping power, strengthened by 7.5-inch rear tires for quick and controlled stops. The Hieline adjustable knee pad is designed for ultimate comfort to support recovery from a lower body injury with a cushion thickness of 3 inches and a total of 5 adjustment settings. The Hieline adjustable handlebar is equipped with dual handbrakes, but the Glide conveniently requires only one to be engaged to activate the braking system. In addition, a push-button parking brake is incorporated into the handbrake to make the Glide stationary. The durable basket design reduces wear and tear while on the go. It is equipped with a handle for portability and can hold up to 13 pounds. Don't wait, act now, and visit drivemedical.com for more information or for a complete listing of mobility products.